is up, guys? So I ordered some stuff for the Z, and one of those things is a grill. Now, stay with me, but this grill is for I believe it's a 2007 to 2017 or 2014 GMC Sierra pickup truck, and legend has it that this will actually fit on the S30Z cars. So today I'm going to be chopping it up a little bit, I guess. And I haven't looked at it. I don't know what it looks like. It's supposed to be black, black and stainless, I guess. It's powder coated stainless. So yeah. Now the reason I'm doing this is because the aftermarket grills that I've found are around $500, which, you know, it'd be nice to buy that and have it and just put it in the car. But it's also, that wouldn't be as fun, right? Right? You guys are with me on that. It wouldn't be as fun just taking something made for this car and putting it on the car. That's not that fun, right? I mean, I got custom turn signals that I did for this. So why not get a grill, cut it up, and make it work for this? $70 on Amazon. I'll link that down below. Affiliate link. So I get something, I guess. Jesus. But until I don't know. The Skillard ones, you've seen Skillards. Their stuff's nice. I mean, I have their mirror kit on this. They're pretty cool. Skillard makes some great stuff for this car. But again, custom. I'm kind of doing everything for this car. So why not? Why not just do this? Yeah. Let's get to unboxing. Time to see how good $70 is packaged on Amazon. Got this spicy little guy from Knives. Set that bear on there. All right, empty box, just bubble wrapped. Got some brackets right here. I'm not sure if those are going to be used, but we will see. Now, I only kind of looked at this on Amazon before I ordered it. I saw there's an old Reddit post using this grill, and turns out that Reddit can be used for something other than porn and arguing on the internet. And then there's another guy on the forums on Facebook that used this grill as well. He actually used the same blinker setups that I have too, and same EFI system. It's kind of funny. He also has a 2+2. We're just kind of copying each other at this point. Got some foam. All right, here we go. This is it. And I'm guessing that this is gonna be the top. Just a wild guess. Guess I can get the parts bag open and see what the lore says in there. 2 brackets. They are also black. They feel very, very cheap, but that's okay because this is incredibly. Actually, you know what? It's a little bit heavier, but it feels like more durable than these. But it feels pretty good actually. Not upset at that. Got some paperwork here, and as you can see, this is for a 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra 1500. So that'll be good. Then they send you these, there's some retaining clips in there along with these long screws. You can see that. They're like as long as my finger. They're pretty long. I would say about average, but yeah, so let's kind of mock this up on the front of the car, I guess. Alright, first thing first, let's get that old grill out of there. Go ahead and grab the first Phillips head screwdriver I find, which is a little bit big. Now, I'm wondering if I'm going to be able to reuse these holes. Might be able to. There's also some holes down here that I think I might be able to utilize still. Okay, so there we go. This tiny little grill out. Now, one thing that is different is this grill. It does have a slight angle to it right here. It comes down to kind of a V shape, and the other grill, yeah, it's like mostly straight. Then it angles here, and it's straight again. The other one is more of a constant angle, rounded, I guess you'd say. And yeah, I guess we'll see how that looks. All right, and it looks like I was wrong. The angled part goes on the bottom, but I mean, again, I'm just doing this. Okay, so I'm gonna have to, the instructions, not instructions, the previous guy did say he cut a little bit of these off on each side just so they fit in there flush, because right now, let's see, I'll put it in on one side. You can see there's a couple inches of overlap, so I'll probably cut maybe half an inch to an inch off each side and then put that in there. Alright, I measured it and it looks like I'm gonna need to cut off about 3/4 of an inch off each side. That looks like it'll make it fit perfect, so I'm gonna start there. Alright, so I think I'm gonna be cutting about 8 inches off of each side. I could just message Dustin and see what he did. That's who I'm kind of going off of, because he did this as well. And 8 inches should get me, well, I think I'm gonna do 8 1/4. I lied to you guys. I'm gonna cut off 8 1/4 off each side because I want to get past, well, I could leave it. You know, I'm gonna cut it at 8 inches first because we can always cut more off, right? You want to cut a little bit off, then go in for the kill shot. So, measure this out for 8 inches. Got my trusty handy dandy paint marker. Alright, and I lost the guard, I think, for my angle grinder, so I'm going to be raw dogging this, but I am wearing goggles because I'm halfway smart. I mean, it cuts like butter, that's good. Okay, and then need to cut off the bracket right here that's holding them all there. Okay, can I bend that off now? Yeah, buddy. Okay, now, without looking and comparing this, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the other side because, you know, guys, we're already halfway there, so might as well finish this sumbitch off. All right, there we go. Now let's see how this looks. Now the rest of this, can I shove the rest of it back behind? Oh, fuck yeah. Brother, we're in fucking business, bro. For real. Look at that motherfucking shit. Let me get a light. Yeah, LED lights and cameras don't play well, so you're probably seeing flickering. But anyways, this looks pretty freaking dope. God damn, I'm happy. I'm super happy. Now I just have to figure out how to make it stay there. Bro, this thing is freaking phenomenal. Alright, just gotta figure out how to mount this now. I have 4 of these longer screws that they sent. I have these retainer clips. And these bracket things, which I do not think I'm going to use. Alright, you guys are going to like this. Let me turn on my marker lights first so I look really cool. Alright, this is all mounted up. There she is. It's black, of course, so it's hard to see. So let me... Alright, there it is. Grill installed. It's kind of hard to see because, you know, it's black. But there is a full grill in there now. I love it. It looks way better in there. It's angled too, so it fits the profile a lot better. But yeah, pretty dope. I mean, I probably should clean it up a little better and make it look a little more presentable, but you guys do see the current state of this car. This is just me in a nutshell. So it's like, it works, it's good. I kind of wanted to hold it up a little higher, but I don't know. This is good. It's fine. It's cheap enough to where I could probably do this again, but yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm really happy with this. Now the mounting is a little bit ratchet. Right here, went through here. Probably clean this up with some black paint. It's a little bent. I might move some stuff around on this side just to get it to move up a little bit higher. But I ran a screw through there, and then ran another hole through there with that retaining clip. And then these are held back with just black zip tie. I mean, nobody's really gonna notice. I don't care one way or the other. I'm not a perfectionist princess, so it works for me. This is a happy time play fun car, so it's perfect for me. Back roads, racetracks every now and then, so this is all I need. I'm more of a handling guy anyways. So if you guys did enjoy this video, there we go. If you guys did enjoy this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Oh, look at that. That's pretty badass, right? But if you guys enjoyed it, feel free to give the video a thumbs up. Comment if you'd want to see me do any more oddball things to this car. It's just a fun project for me. I've taken it to the track a couple times, and I take it on back roads. I go to car meets every now and then. But yeah, it's just a fun project, something to play with, something to mess with, learn new things, cut things up, destroy them, fix them. That's what it's all about, project car, man. But again, this grill will be down in the not the comment section. It'll be in the description down below, along with my Instagram, Pacific Racer. But yeah, Amazon link down below is like $75, and just angle grinder and some drills, and you can put this on your Z too. I know there's plenty of you out there with ratty little Z shit boxes, so I don't want to see anybody too pissed off about this. But until next time, peace.